our dim sum basket steam warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 35 inches. And depth, 18 and 3/4 inches. And a height, 8 inches tall. Coming to the top and bottom are 4 rows with an opening where you can place your dim sum basket on top to heat and steam your products. Coming to the bottom are 3 separate gauges to adjust the temperature, along with the red and green light indicators. Coming to the left is where the water can be poured in, and to your right will be the wiring that will be required to operate this steamer. Coming to the right will be the sticker with additional schematic information, and included are additional accessories and pamphlet to operate this steamer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.